What's up, yo? What up, Big Rig? What's up, bro? Call me Big Rig. What's up, Big Rig? What's up? How y'all doing? How my Big Rigs doing in this bitch? Welcome, welcome to another beautiful day. What an incredible week for New York and London session. For me, what another average week for PM session for us. Let's turn that around today, bro. It's a fucking boring ass week. Got myself my first target 3 on DAX today. Sheesh. Oh, well, yeah, 100-point push down here, bro. That's pretty savage. Yeah, holy shit, dude. Savage, bro. Very, very good. What a nice DAX opening. Are these the shorts you took right here? I'm $100 from losing my live account. It's okay, bro. It's alright, big dog. Yep, hell yeah, bro. You absolute savage. What's going on, Ella Honey? It's a solid name, Ella Honey. Alright, so this one's gonna be for Ella Honey today. We got pretty little choppy ass range of trading again, bro. To be honest, ever since pretty much like 11:30 today. Let me bring this back real quick. Yeah, pretty much since like 11:30 today, bro. Holy fuck. Ugly ass price action. Um, Definitely feeling aggressive though, so I'm definitely going to be using up all the 3% to either win or lose today. I mean, I guess can't say definitely if this is the price action we're chilling in, but I'm ready to trade, bro. I didn't trade my personal account this morning. I wanted to hold on. I 100%ed my account in the past 42 days. And so I just wanted to hold on to that for the rest of the week. But because of that, I want to take a trade, bro. If we can get some shit that lines up. We just got like a just ugly price action, dude. The issue is we got about 100 points before we come up to highs. But we're starting to kind of react off of this rejection level here. So this is what we'll do. We start to push close down to these lows with some good volume. We'll go ahead and take shorts. If we continue to kind of range here and then push back within the range, I'll probably take an aggressive buy back up as we have a clear fucking path for like 65 points. Just understand the same thing as yesterday, which it seems like all trades are during PM session lately. It's a riskier trade, but we're trading right back within the range where we didn't go anywhere at all. The same shit we tried yesterday. So remember, everybody here, for anybody new or anybody who doesn't understand, I'm not trading my live account during this PM session. I'm trading a prop firm challenge. So I'm absolutely open to get more risky with it. If you don't enjoy that, that's fine. Go into my New York session open where I'm actually risking my real money. So I'm just a bit more, I mean, not a bit more cautious, but there's a lot more volume, so things are a bit more fluid during that time period. Let's put it that way. All right. Thank you for going the course and going live. It's really helping a struggling trader. Hell yeah, monkeys RFX. Yeah. I think today is the last day. Let me go look real quick. But love to hear that shit, bro. This is why I'm here in the first place, is just to put. Wow, all my shit is just Hellcat shit now. Yikes. We got some trading in here. Hellcat rapping and this guy, bro. Nigga shit, nigga shit, nigga shit. Playlist. Edit. Playlist. Boom. Boom. 50. Scroll down. Okay. So we got how to journal. So tomorrow the free journal template comes out. Very fire, bro. Sunday the 30-day trading roadmap for beginners, and then the last video, which is 5 hours, is just all of this in its entirety. So if you guys went through step by step every single video, really should be focusing up on Monday, Tuesday, watching this whole 5 hour video, putting some fucking time into it, and then you guys should be turning into beasts over the course of a short period of time after that. Short period of time for me is 6 months to a year, not 1 to 2 weeks. You know, let's be realistic here. US 30 is starting to push back above these highs. So is NAS. 58-point ATR. I don't want to use a 50-point ATR. I think I'm about to get aggressive here for the first trade, so just so you guys know. We have a whole, well, let's see here. We have 30 points before coming up to this next high here. We could potentially put stops to break even. We've disgustingly already grabbed lows. I definitely want to have stops to break even before we come up to this area of liquidity. I mean, obviously sellers do not want price to push past this level. So if we can get a good entry down here, we start to come back up here. I probably even remove myself in for at least most of my position, unless we get stopped out before that. So we'll see. NAS on the other hand, we're kind of having a tough time breaking beyond median of price, so we might want to let that brew for this whole 5-minute candle. But US 30 is looking pretty good. Pretty good. Using a 30-point stop loss on US 30, taking a break above these highs, we'd be looking at like 1.5% risk to make like 3K. So we'll see. Do you prefer NAS or US 30? Neither, bro. I love both of them dearly. I'm Muslim when it comes to these two. All right. I got room to play ball. Let's get it. Hell yeah. And I trade M&Q last night, and bro, that shit got real. But the shorts in Asia played out nice. All right. Well, it's a U.S. market, so trading outside of U.S. is potentially lower probability setups as far as participation. But I mean, I dig it. Price action. Just giving you my 2 cents. Not the biggest fan of trading U.S. markets outside of U.S. market open. You know, it's just always will be that way. Oh, my bad. Let me put trade locker up here. Oh no, it's on the other screen again. Why the fuck does it do that? It's alright. I'll just pull down my screen once we get into it and shit. No, never mind. I'm gonna do it right now. I want you guys to see when I get in and all that. If we have time though, man, like what the fuck? Oh, at least you guys can see there. Right, 98,392. Yeah, at least you guys can see there for now. I'll switch it here in a second once we get in, but we're about to get into this trade, so let's just, we got 27 seconds left. That'll be the new 15-minute candle. I pretty much just want to see any type of lower wick form. We've already got a lot of exhaustion to this bearish move, so if we can get some type of lower wick form, I plan to get anywhere between like here to here and just get a little aggressive with it. I'm going to have a tight stop loss today. And we'll see if we can hit some higher targets pretty quick or even lose quick, but hopefully not be sitting in a trade for fucking 30 minutes because that shit's insane. It's not how I enjoy to trade at all. New 15-minute candle just opened up. Already starting to create that bottom wick. Where do you post your New York Live? Link is in my bio, bro. You have 2 options. You can join the free group, and then once the New York Live is done, Zen Enforcer post that link so you can see exactly how we operate in the live group, or if I guess you see how I operate. I mean, not really, it's kind of different, but after you understand that that's something you want to invest in, you can go into Access Live Trade Room, which is directly in that Discord, and then you can pay $70 a month to actually trade with us live every single day during the highest period of volatility statistically that the market offers. And that's where we get to motherfucking business. Wow, you have been busy. Much appreciated. Yeah. I mean, yeah, bro. If I'm not busy, I'm fucking losing my mind. You know, like busy's really good in my life. So just kind of put that out there. Busy is very good in my life. As far as Nas goes, Nas we'd use a 30-point stop loss. We still have potentially 1 to 2 before coming up to highs. I'm just probably gonna risk a bit more. I mean, I really just wish I can split risk here. I just don't have enough margin, unfortunately, to take both of these. Even if I put like a 0.2 in here, I can't even take US 30. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm focused up on US 30 because we're almost there, y'all. I already have the screen open. I already have the risk open. So let's just get ready for that. And we'll just give it a shot. See what we can do. All right, just got into US 30 buys. 50-point lot, or 30-point stop loss. You can use risk for, about 40 if you want, but I'm just trying to be a bit tight with it because I want to see some higher targets here. I'm tired of playing with like $1,000 per trade when we have so far to go. So far, not looking good though. So far, not looking good at all. Nas I didn't get into, so let's pull that off so people don't get into 2 trades. And then boom. Pretty much going to take out once we hit this target 3, like 1 to 2.5 if we can get up there. I'll try to put stops to break even once we come up to these highs. And again, for the 100th time, this is a aggressive ass fucking trade, bro. We're trading in the middle of the range, but I'm not waiting till we come up to highs to take a trade. I'm damn sure not waiting till we come down to lows to take a trade. So this is just kind of where we're at, for sure. So far, not looking too pretty though. No momentum behind this move. We're just chilling, bro. Like, I bet you 1 minute just looks disgusting. Yeah. 1 minute for the past, like, fucking 14 minutes has just been, like, progressively pushing higher, but just really slow with it, bro. Really just do not enjoy trading during this time. Just gonna have to keep it a buck with everybody. It's really just fucking so fucking shitty compared to what we usually trade in. Already down $1,000. The indicator doesn't come up on the link. What indicator? Looking like stop loss is already being hit here. I'm already down 1,500. Stop loss already fucking hit. Down 1,900 here. Oh shit. Why can't I close? I'm about to pull out of this trade if my shit keeps being weird. Or stops being weird here. Alright, just pulled out of US 30. Really late. That's on me. And now I have $1,200 to play with. So I'm either going to take shorts below or above these, take shorts below these lows here, above these highs. And if I lose fucking again, man, fuck this PM session. That's what's going to happen. I'm going to be out of this bitch and go join my 100% account build during a real period of fucking volume. Stop playing trading this weak ass fucking time that I fucking hate, just sitting here, boring as fuck, and all my goddamn trades hitting stop loss because there's no fucking volume in the direction I want it to be. Stupid question, but when you have entered the position, can you drag your stop loss up to break even? Yeah, it is a stupid question, but yes, you can. It's entering a bearish order block though. Nobody cares about order blocks here. This session don't pay, but it does help why open and volume is key. I don't know how that helps, but yeah, this session doesn't pay. This session's absolute fucking hot fucking garbage for me. I agree. Boring as fuck, garbage as fuck, and really tired of fucking trading it here. So I might just be done with it after this week if I can't see any goddamn wins. It's so fucking back and forth. It's driving me nuts. Last week I blew like 3K of my account. I said, fuck this. I'm going to trade a challenge so I can keep, free for the people. This week I'm down fucking $3,700 in a whole trading week. Like, what the fuck, bro? What kind of shit is this? Where's EB? CP, bro. I think he's doing his thing. Never trade CHOP or VWAP. VWAP is for fags, and It's only chopped during this time period, so we have to. In shorts right now? Hell yeah, bro. Good for you. Good for fucking you. Yeah, we'll see what will happen here. So far, anybody who's in a trade and you're in profit, you're probably gay. You're probably gay. If I get that payout, I'm gonna change my name to Zing Pao FX or Zenzing. Hell yeah, bro. It might not happen trading this fucking session, let me tell you. Let me tell you. We're reacting off of this median price though, so if we can start to push back above on NAS, I'm gonna take a trade. The issue is, I don't know if I have much margin, bro. I don't know. Oh, I do. Never mind, we're good. My bad. Still the best coach out here, even after a little L. I'm laughing my ass off. Yeah, no, I'm definitely the best to ever do it, bro. I don't give a fuck about this session. I'm just bitching because I don't like to lose this much, and this session, to me, for the past couple weeks, has been hot fucking bitch-ass garbage. It's boring as fuck, choppy as fuck, none of my trades fucking play out, fucking with my capital, and I enjoy to play with probabilities on my side, so maybe there's a reason why I haven't traded during this period of my entire career, because breakouts just are fucking hot goddamn garbage during this time period. Little bitch. Boring as fuck. If anybody was wondering. Let's see what the people think. One in the chat, I should keep showing up to these hot garbage fuck ass sessions, or two in the chat, if I should not show up to these hot garbage fuck ass sessions anymore. We'll let the people decide. We got 59 people in here. What do you guys think? Just blew my account. Welcome to the fucking club, JH. Welcome to the fucking club. Do you still use MA? No, MA's for facts. One, love the streams at least. One, hell yeah. So I said one in the chat if I shouldn't show up to these anymore, and two if I should. We only have 1, 2, so that means that this is probably going to be it, guys. This will probably be the last. Yo, just less stress. That's a good fucking name. I fuck with that. No, I said one if I shouldn't, two if I should. No, we all good, Joe. Nothing can. I've had a fucking nasty. I've made like 34K this week, so I'm just chilling, bro. I think it's just a shitty ass fucking session, so I'm gonna go cry about it. I know some of you guys purchase challenges too, so we gotta cook, bro. It's just like, no matter how annoyed I get with the session, we'll still take trades based off of a real system. But my God, bro, it's fucking boring as fuck, dude. Jesus. Change time to something nicer? Nah, we already trade during the best periods of high volume, bro. New York Stock Exchange open, London open. I'm an absolute godsend during those periods. It's just during this low volume shit. It's usually for gay traders, you know, the ICT traders, what was that guy talking about? A gap trader or VWAP traders. That's usually when it gets real fruity, is during these time periods, and that's why I can't thrive, because just a little gay. This is where I get to ask the 21 questions. Yeah, what's up, bro? Ask me some questions. Why is this session so gay? Just lack of volume. What's the next question? I'm trading your system in Asian session on Japan 225. Sheesh, you know Jess is making money. Jess got no stress trading ZenLab strategy during Asian session using Japan 225. What strategy do you use? The one that works really good outside of this time period. If you would like to check it out for yourself, there's an entire educational course from A through Z, and it is 43 videos. Last video is a 5-hour long video, which will be releasing on Sunday, of exactly how I was able to, how I was able to double my account in the past 42 days, exactly how I've been a profitable trader for the past 4 years. and exactly why this time period of trade is extremely gay. All of that is in that course for you. How many trades you took today and got stop loss? That's my first trade, little bitch. I didn't take any trades on my actual account. Nice. I'm gonna check immediately. Yeah, hell yeah, bro. You'll not only enjoy what I have to say there, but get extremely educated. Actually, though, I put my entire soul into it for sure. More stupid questions. How come you couldn't get out of the trade? Was your stop loss not automatic? No, I was trying to scroll up on just dumbass weak ass bullshit, bro. It's all good. Don't worry. Just little bullshit. I'm trying to have you guys so you can see the P&L sitting down here, so I just had to. It was just like fucking with me, but it's all good. No worries. Nice. More stupid questions. Still holding. You think I should get out? We'll leave it up to the chat. One in the chat you think he should get out, or two in the chat that he should stay in to these buys that are now 80 points in drawdown. I think that you should stay into the trade, bro. I think you should stay into the trade. At some point, it's going to have to come back and bring you back to profit. And if you close now, you've already held like triple beyond my stop loss. So I think you would just be soft at this point if you didn't hold until it came back up to profit. So if I were you, which is a man, I would just hold that bitch. Here go. He don't have preset stop loss. OG shit, bro. Be a big dog and hold, man. Hold your balls, brother. Hell yeah. Um, US 30's back in this rejection area that we've had a tough time breaking beyond for the past fucking hour and 40 minutes. We're starting to push lower. We got a couple options here. We can take the break below previous candle lows, or we can wait a whole extra 30 points before coming down to lows, which I will. I'm not taking any in-range trades, but hopefully Nas can start to get some push above highs or below lows, and we could take that secondary trade. But do you ever look at gold? Nah, bro. Scare money don't make money. Absolute fact, bro. That's all I gotta say. 48 people in here. Y'all make sure you guys like the stream, or else I'm never rage baiting ever again. Make sure you guys like the stream. If we don't have 48 likes by the end of this stream, I'm just gonna go back to trading with my people during New York only. There's not enough participation in here for me to want to stay on here every single day. How many likes do we have? We have 12 likes, bro. All right, Naz is starting to push up the highs now. Naz is starting to push up the highs now. There we go. Now we got 22 likes. All right. I'm trying to like 48 times. We got 26 more likes to go to make sure that I show up to stream all next week and make PM session my bitch. That's pretty much where I'm at. We're not going to just take the break just because we break above highs. We want to see some volume behind it, but we're finally starting to cook with a little bit of aggression here. Save your nerves, brother. I don't have nerves, bro. I'm trading a fucking demo challenge account. I just don't like to lose, so I'll still be annoyed about it, but I'm an absolute legend, bro. I just made 88K in the past like 25 days, so I'm not, my feelings are okay. They're secondary to this bread. New 30-minute candle, new 15-minute candle, new 5-minute candle. We're still showing extreme exhaustion to these lows, so if we can start to push above highs, we'll get in for our secondary trade. But if not, we're not just about to sporadically hop in just because we're fucking annoyed, We just gotta let the thing do its thing. Hit the like button. I have too many stupid questions. Yeah, bro, sheesh. Make sure you guys hit the like button before we have to hear another stupid question from Anto. What you spending that 80K on? Nothing, bro. Maybe some hoes. Maybe another baby mama. Something aggressively fun. You know, definitely not another car. Because my car's been sitting in a shop for fucking a week and a half now, getting fucking tuned and shit. My Amazon cart is filled up with a whole bunch of shit. All right, let's get into these buys on NAS. Ooh, I kind of got a rough entry there. I'll be completely honest with you. I'm pretty much full margin, so I can't even put in, even if I wanted to, I can't put in any more positions. And also, what did I lose? Didn't I lose more on that position than I wanted to? 2K. Fuck. I lost 2K on that position, so if this goes down 1K, then I just cook this account, which would be rough too. But I'm not lowering risk or anything. I don't give a fuck. But I'm just saying, if it doesn't push up now, I would have cooked this account today. That would be it for us. When you drop a merch, what kind of merch you want, bro? What kind of merch you want, bro? I guess I'll have to pull. If we got down to like 900 in drawdown, I can save the account by pulling it. Just fucking push, bitch. Jesus, just fucking push, bitch. Looking nasty, nasty US 32 coming right back up to this area. We're sitting up 500. Big whoop, dude. I just lost fucking $1,900. Actually, the full 2K because it fucking closed me out so goddamn late. Big whoop, bro. In order for us to hit 2K, I think we'd have to hit a 1 to 2, which is crazy. But yeah, we'll see what happens, bro. Break even? Nah. This one better here. Emmitt's gonna blow his lid. Someone's gonna blow my lid, but it's not gonna be me. It's not gonna be me, bro. It is what it is, bro. Obviously, I'm not upset at all. Obviously. Who's in this trade? Put a 1 in the chat. Or put a W in the chat. Here we go. We're coming back down. Back in drawdown. Back in profit. Where's top songs when you need them? Is anybody new here? Is anybody new here who hasn't watched me before? I promise you, this is how I always am. New to your live? Welcome, Blandonot. Kotamin Naz 100 accidentally. Bro, what? Alright, we're sitting up 700. Watch your IG story for a while? Oh, hell yeah, bro. Solid. Glad to have you a part of the team. We're up 900. Target 1 just got tapped. You can put stops to break even from this point. I guess. I put stops to break even from this point. We come back down to BE. I'm done for the week, bro. I'm kind of just trying to give it a little bit more chance to breathe. Probably a bad idea, but I want this bitch to, come on, bro. Let's go a little bit. Let's fucking push here. We start to break above highs here, though. 1,000% I'm putting stops to break even. I'm just trying to give it a little bit more chance to breathe because I'm very close to entry here now. Like, look where we're at. So if we start to break above highs here, that'll kind of be it for me. But I'm going to try to hold this a bit longer before I protect this position and give it a little bit of a chance to breathe on this fucking challenge. Oh, you guys can't see here. My bad. Let's just while we're waiting for this boring ass shit to push, let's just edit it real quick. Look at that. We're spreading her open there. You see the P&Ls coming in hot? Ooh. Spread that thing, Nas. Yeah. Open that thing up for me. There she is. Look at that thing. Whoops. 500. 600. 700. All right, you guys can protect your position now. Big W's in the chat. I don't give a shit how many trades we lost before this bid. Put big W's in the chat, bro. Regardless. Here's your time to pull out parcels if you want. But don't pull out anything until you put big W's in the chat. Then you can do what you would like. Oh, whoops. That trend line's holding pretty aggressively. Oh, brother, what the fuck was that? Oh my god. There we go. There we go. Wow, that took a while, didn't it? US 30 came right back up to this area of rejection. It's like, there's no steam, big dog. There's no steam, big dog. All right, W, you got mad skills, man, but your rage baiting's on point. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. I'm gonna take that as a compliment. You might pass the account. Yeah. W's plus $7. Hell yeah, bro. You're buying us food tonight. My gas is about $5.10 a gallon right now, so you can buy me a gallon. I can drive to the gym and back home. Compliments to you. Zing Pao got out. Big L's in the chat for Zing Pao for getting out before we all get out. Big L's in the chat for Zing Pao for getting out before we all get out. Get real, bro. All right, let me actually put stops to break even now. And this is where we're at, bro. This is just how it's going to have to be. Appreciate all 45 of you guys for watching. 40 fucking people. 45 people. 45 people. 4 years of doing this, 45 people. That's gaining 10 live followers a year. 45 people, wow. And to think it only took 4 years. It's incredible. Imagine where we'll be at next year. We'll be at 55 people. Absolutely incredible. Thank you, guys. Emma, any advice on how to trade with a full time job? I'll be missing New York sessions, and I love that session. I mean, you just got three different sessions, bro. You can trade New York Open, you can trade Asian Open with Japan 225, you can trade London Open with DAX. I mean, until you can make it a full time thing, unfortunately, you have to merge, you have to rewire your trading schedule around your job and not the other way around. Like you have to make sure you take care of what pays the bills, and it's not trading yet, so it is what it is. But um, just like we were talking about, there's just no excuses, bro. You know, I trade. This is my full time job. I get it, but I trade two sessions. I fucking fall asleep at 10, 11 o'clock. I wake back up at 2:45 in the morning so I can trade for between like 6 to 800 people every night. Then I go back to bed. Then I wake back up and trade for like 60 to 80 people for New York Open. Then I go to the gym and then I hop on a PM session, trade with you guys, 49 people, and you got to get it while it's hot, bro. We only have one life to live, and you got to do whatever it takes to get to that next point. You know, it just is what it is. This trend line's either gonna hold here and take us out, or it's gonna at least explode beyond the target two. It's just having a really tough time breaking beyond, bro. When do you sleep? I don't, bro. I just when we lived in Colorado, it was a bit rough because there's no good plugs out there. But ever since moving out here, like this is the meth capital of probably the entire world, just Florida as in its entirety, and they have some really good plugs out here. So I just kind of wire myself on that and just fucking send it every day. I don't get tired, baby. I work two jobs and trade Asian in London. No excuses. You got it. Facts. Ah, noted. Getting some now. Yeah, brother. Yeah, I'm full of fucking knowledge, bro. Work two jobs is nuts, though, bro. Jesus. It rains meth in Florida for sure. Bet. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Who's still in this trade? Who is still in this fucking absolute monster of a trade? Bro, I had a lot of risk lost during that first trade. Like $1,500 isn't shit, bro. I'm down 2K for the day. It has to go higher. It has to go higher, bro. If it doesn't go higher, VIP club tonight, one less bottle. I gotta punish myself. Instead of 3 bottles of Tito tonight, one bottle of Tito tonight. Just kidding. I don't drink by myself. Both of those were lies. Still in? Solid. Hell yeah, we're pushing up to target 2 here soon. All right, now we're sitting at 1700. If you guys risk the same amount on the previous trade than this one, I mean, you can take some parcels out for the day. Remember, it's this whole fucking area where we're gonna have a tough time breaking beyond, bro. You know, you can take out whatever losses you had in that first trade and see if this bitch will continue on to higher spirits. I want to see us hit a target 3 and I'll pull out in full with like plus 500 or some shit, you know? Like that's where I'm at. At this point, the account is sitting at, what is the account sitting at? 96K. And so we really just want to see it. We want to fuck a little bit here. I'm just going to take a little bit of patience. 1 to 3s are not easy to come by during this session, though. Let me tell you something, Sonny. You started to get your baby stuff yet? Oh God, bro, don't even remind me. We got a crib sitting in my front living room. You know, her closet's already starting to stack up with shit. My mom is sending us all these baby names. You got Paul who's sending us baby names from ChatGPT. It's like, bro, let me name my own kid, bro. You know, let me decide what I would like for my kid's name to be. But now that we all know it's gonna be a girl, it's what we'll do. I'm just trying to find the most expensive baby items possible, and then I'll get a registry together, and I'll start posting instead of posting like broker link and prop firm link. We'll just start posting the registry link and see how much you guys really do support me. It's kind of where I'm at. So we'll be finding out very soon who the real loyal Zen people are. Make sure you stay tuned for that. You started to get for your winning trades. How many targets do you usually hit? Anywhere between like 10 to 15, bro. Usually hit 1 to 10s, 1 to 15s, something light. No, usually one between 1 to 3s to one to one. I mean 1 to 2s to 1 to 4s, bro. I really trade based off of what volume is during that set take profit, but anything beyond 1 to 1, we better not have any fucking 1 to 1 traders in here. We'll put it that way. Had to create a whole channel just to comment. You are hilarious. Stop doing meth, Emmitt. Yo, Foxy Felicia. What's up, playa? Yo, you're doing amazing, Felicia. I think that you don't fucking post enough, but I'm proud of you. You've been kicking fucking ass in the gym. You don't get enough praise for being a mama of two fucking kids, yo. Jesus Christ, I know it's tough. I'm only on my number one, so we haven't even popped it out yet. Sheesh. Pro tip: get a diaper bin. Oh yeah, bro. Listen, bro. I have a huge list on my registry. Like I wasn't joking. I have a disgusting, massive list. Not for everybody else. Expect the rich friends. We definitely expect them to do that entire list. But for what people don't hit, we got this is what we work so hard for, is moments like this. There won't be a single thing that my kid is missing in this world, bro. When I grew up and it'd be my birthday, I always remember my mom got me this little gay ass. You click these two buttons on the side and it like popped up the screen and shit. And I was so mad because I wanted a Verizon Voyager or a Virgin Mobile Voyager, if anybody knows what that phone is. And she didn't have enough money for it. She bought me that shit. She bought me some bubble gum and she bought me a fucking styrofoam plane. And I'm not a little shitty kid. I was like, oh, thank you, mom, appreciate you and shit. But in my head, I'm like, fuck, bro, we're so fucking poor. And we weren't even that poor. She just had to spend all of her money like on bills and shit. So it is what it is. But yeah, bro, it's a whole different world now, G. My kids are gonna have whatever the fuck they want, by far. And you can still do that and still not have them be spoiled little brats and shit. For anybody who's about to bring that up, no, they're gonna be absolute geniuses. They're gonna have every type of resource they can possibly imagine, and they're going to thrive. Some of you guys won't even be a profitable trader by the time they're profitable at 5 years old. Think about that. My kid is going to be profitable before you, and they're not even born yet. Not even throwing shade. That's just facts. Great content on YouTube. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Adrian Franklin hyphen Q90. Appreciate you. Much love, Foxy Felicia. Make sure you keep showing up, fam. It's good to have you in here. Just came across your channel. Are you trading on CFD or futures? CFDs, bro. CFDs. We're having a really tough time breaking beyond these highs. Probably be a good time for you guys to pull out some partials. Don't say you haven't been warned. Again, I'm just trying to hold until we come up to a 1 to 3, and then I'll pull out in full. Probably be up like 1% for the day. But until then, I'm open to sacrifice going down to break even or getting up to that point. We're just having a really fucking tough time going anywhere, bro. Look at this shit. Look at 1 minute time frame, bro. So different compared to the time period we trade. It's nuts. It's nuts. It's nuts. What lot size are you using? I think zero point 0.4 on this. 0.1, 0.4, 0.5. Using a 0.5. Childhood trauma? Yeah. Hey, turned me into a beast. Hey, I may be putting that in the wrong way, though. My mom was an absolute fucking legend. She was an amazing person. She did the best she could. She was a single mom. And she fucking did whatever it took to pay our bills. I got to do anything I wanted. I couldn't go on like when they were, I think there was like a trip to go to Paris or some shit like that, and I couldn't go on that trip. But that, bro, my mom is an absolute legend. Love that lady. I did whatever I wanted to do in life. She made sure, above all else, that I can accomplish and be whatever I wanted to in life, and she didn't care what that was. You don't want to go to school? All right, we'll do, conquer something else then. You do want to go to school? I'll support you, do the best I possibly can. You want to work at Panda Express and be on your own? If that's really what you want, we'll fucking go send it, She just made sure that I always knew that whatever it was I did, do it to my best, take care of people, and be the best version I possibly can, whatever that meant to me. And I'll be a little bit different than that. Like, I'm not going to let my kid work at Panda Express, so we're going to be a little bit different than that. But my kids definitely going to know they can accomplish whatever they want to accomplish, as long as they're not going to work at McDonald's for the first job. Like, I'm not with that. Uncle Mamba coming through with an LV or Versace something? Yes, bro. Uncle Mama better be coming through with some LV or Versace something for sure, bro. Yep, you know kids grow out of that shit every 2 weeks, so he's gonna have to be coming with Versace every 2 weeks kind of vibe. You know, he is the designer guy, so he's gotta show out at this point. Paris is shit anyways. That's crazy. Hell yeah. Think you love goat. Got you. We're just now at break even for the day, so let's see if we can hit any partials, or let's see if we can hit target three, or if we're just gonna get cooked on the day and be down 2K. Who's still in this trade? W's coach, you a goat? You're a goat, spook. Any idea for Tesla long term? Bought them at average price 302, currently sitting at 393. We scalp trade, bro, so I don't know anything about long term. My first day here. All their moms are 11s, facts. They just want us to be better anyways. Yeah, no, facts. No, definitely not all moms are legends, though. Some moms are pregnant, kind of fucking suck. So. But my mom, fortunately, was great. She's a solid lady. No problem, got it. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, I don't trade stocks either, bro. And I know stocks have, I mean, all markets have to do with fundamentals. I'm just a technical trader, so I'm a technical trader on lower time frames. Wow, we're having a really tough time breaking past highs, bro. It's about to be decided now. Are we about to come back lower? I think liquidity is almost pulled. Well, we kind of got two forms here, but I think we're gonna get a big jolt up to target three, or a big jolt back down to break even once we break above this blue line, in my opinion. Teslas are shit too. Yeah. I just got mopped by a Tesla. He cheated though. He still would have beat me, but he cheated though. This motherfucker put a camera through. He opened up doors like, oh shit, caught a trader on the streets, and it was like, all right, bro, it's a green light. It's a green light. 1, 2, 3, go, and fucking sent it. And I got cooked, bro. I was very upset about it. So I'm having to apply. I know where he lives now, so we're gonna do something really bad to his Tesla. Maybe damage it. Maybe bust all the tires out. Bust all his windows out. Whatever it takes. Yeah, fuck that guy. Don't fuck with my shit. Are you going to try trading companies once that shit turns futures? Are you going to try trading companies once that shit turns futures? What you mean, bro? What you mean, Zing Pao? Go back to Hong Kong, bro. You slurring. Hair dryers, pass them at the charger. Yeah. Hair dryers, that's crazy. Ah, shit. Yeah, we'll do something bad to him for sure. If you got any ideas, make sure you pass them on. Okay, so here we go. We're rejecting this area for the what? Let's see. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time not breaking above this area. We got market close in 2 hours. We're probably just going to range for the rest of the day. You know, but we're still holding firm. I'm just not, I have no urge to break even today. We're going to fucking either send it, or we're going to be down 2% for the day. That's just kind of where I'm at. I accepted that 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes ago. Imagine being in a trade for 25 minutes as a scalper, bro. That's what's really fucking crazy. Put some respect on Tesla. My plaid out here is still slaying kitty cats on the daily. It's still gay, though. You know? Hell yeah, you can be slaying kitty cats on the daily, but it's still a gay car. I was reading a statistic study, was it yesterday? The likelihood of somebody enjoying the same sex gender that owns a Tesla is like over 80%. And so hopefully you're not in that category, bro, but it's just, I'm a statistical guy, and that's what the statistics say. So you can slay as many Hellcats as you want. Still gay. Jesus, bro. New hourly candle is opening up in 5 minutes. Again, this is your last warning. You said the disrespect. This is your last warning to potentially get out of this trade. I'm gonna go pee real quick, and I'll be right back. Oh my god. And then we'll We'll go from there. Just give me like 1 minute. What you doing, baby? Oh shit, let me grab my water too. You wanna go somewhere? You need some food? God damn, bro. We haven't went anywhere. Let's go, bro. Who parceled out of this trade? At this point, it's like shit. I might just do the dirt. Put my TP, put my stop loss, and let this shit just be fucking whatever it's gonna do. Like this is just ungodly boring. Looks like people are dumping positions now, and boring ass shit, bro. Fucking boring, waste of fucking time, ass fucking shit. All that fucking 25 minutes of waiting for this fucking bullshit. It was just insane to me. What a waste of fucking time. Reacting off of this area again, which makes sense. Hopefully we get a little retest and continue higher, but yeah. Are you guys here? Am I just not seeing comments or what? If you guys died, I'll be out this bitch too. Are we done for the day? If you wanted to set TPs and stop losses, let me know. I think we have a chat full of Tesla drivers. Yo, Zing Bao, bro. You better be defending yourself, bro. All right, answer the poll. We got 41 people in here, so if y'all don't wake the fuck up, bro, then I'm out this bitch, bro. I'll go hang out with the lady and we'll go eat some fucking food and shit, bro. If not, I'm down to continue to just be aggressively upset until this hits stop loss or TP. Let's see it. I already did it, Zen Enforcer. Let's go. Are you profitable for the week or not? 75% of people say yes. 25% of people say not. Okay, all right, cool. So most of you guys must be watching me in other sessions as well. Good, very good. 13 votes. Yes. 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 Did you enter in for a trade? Yeah, bro, I entered in for a trade. Did you trade this morning? Nah. Nah, I wanted to hold on to my milestone. We took a piss, came back, chat was dead. I know, bro. What the fuck kind of shit is this, bro? Buy or sell for NQ or Dow? Come on, bro. If you just looked all around this amazing screen that you're looking at, just from your interpretation of what you think is going on, do you think that we're in buys or sells right now? If you can answer that correctly, I'll give somebody else a free account because I definitely want to give it to you for obviously not even being able to see what the fuck is going on. But let me know. You think we're in buys or sells? Sell an NQ. Oh my goodness. Great analysis, brother. Looks like nobody's getting a free account. Out for 750 and part of the kingdom, but the Zen's growing on me more and more, big dog. Yeah, bro. It's been nothing but Zen vibes in here for sure today. For sure. We kept it very Zen today. All right, looks like we push any lower, it's going to take me out of this trade. My entry's a little bit higher than what's on screen. Ridiculous, bro. What a waste of fucking time, dude. Take the 5? Hell nah, bro. Are you fucking kidding me? For what? For what? We're just allowing the probabilities of the system to play out. I can't believe I've been here for an hour, though, and haven't even seen the finality of 2 trades. It's like fucking nuts, bro. Out of this world. Going into this weekend full of Zen? Me too, fam. Yeah, I'm fucking hyped for this weekend. Imagine how much better life will be once I can get off of this fucking bitch ass trade. It's gonna be incredible. Pretty much any lower from here and I'll be taken out of this trade. Wow, what a waste of time. What a waste of fucking time. One of the positions got taken out, which is the big position. What a waste of time, bro. What's the goal for next week? To fuck off of this bitch ass session is what the goal is for next week. That's what my goal is. Do my absolute best to say fuck you to PM session. That's what the absolute goal is. All right. Anyways, if you guys parceled out when I told you to, I'm not gonna be down on this account 6%. Not take 1 to 3s for every single trade. I'm not gonna parcel out of shit. So it is what it is. Go get that chicken cheese. Thanks, bro. All right, y'all. Now, even if this trade went all the way up to target 3, it wouldn't be shit. So I don't give a fuck about this position at all. So I'm just gonna get out of here. And hope all you guys had a good week. I've had an amazing week outside of this shit ass fucking session. And so thank God I was trading a challenge account. Because if I was trading my big account, somebody would have to die, 100%. So anyways, everybody have a good weekend. If you guys need an account, today is the last day. It's still on their website. So they just made it valid. There it is. Just took me out. Fucking waste of fucking time. Jesus Christ. If you guys need a BOGO, buy one, get one. If you buy a 100K or 200K account with Funded Hero, you get the second account for free, which is a 50K account. So you buy 100K, you get a 50K for free. You buy a 200K, you get a 50K account for free. And when you use code Zen, it is 60% off right now. So if you guys don't capitalize on that shit, all next week, it's simply just going to be 60% off challenges. So make sure you guys buy one this weekend. And as always, if you want to trade personal capital instead, like I myself do outside of this weak ass, boring ass fucking session, the link is in the bio as well for that. So appreciate you guys for all showing up. How enjoyable it has been to sit here in this boring ass fucking price action together. Wouldn't rather do it with anybody else. And we'll see you guys next week. Take care. Goodbye. Go do some Zen shit. Go touch some grass or go learn something. I have a whole educational course out for you guys.